2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, ABS 4-wheel, 6-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, MP3 player, passenger airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.